This village is unique and special for me in the Philippines. Over here you can hear only the sound of the wave, the birds, and the forest. A place where time moving slowly and the forest keep a silent watch over its secret. This place have many hidden gems location that must be visited either for local people or foreigner. A place where everything organic and fresh, and a place where you can be recovered from stress, far from the pollution, traffic and pressure of the city. Welcome to the town of endless wave. Welcome to Baler. So look guys, I'm gonna show you right now. This is the highway. As you see, it's going to the mountain, and this side is going to Baler. Behind us, direct, as you see, this is the sea. Direct after those three. So really guys, the place is so amazing. So good morning guys, welcome back in another vlog, and mabuhay Philippines. Today it's our first day in Baler. We are over here in the house with my wife, as you see. So today we are going to discover Dakupulan. I forget the name, sorry guys. Dikapulao I think. This is in Baler. It's almost far 25 minutes from there. We'll see so many things over there. We'll try to check out what they have, what they don't have. We'll try to do some activity. So stay tuned guys and keep watching to the end.
Yes, I'm lost in the fun park now. Like a merry-go-round, drove a spiral going round, yeah. I've been racing you all through town. There's no limit to your speed, never ever time to beat, no. We just fired away without a second to ensure what we signed up for. I won't play it this way, no more. You'll be out the door till you're back for more. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you'll do to me. I know I'm not gonna stay. Try to get up, you're dragging me down.
Right now guys, we are near the biggest and oldest tree in Asia. This tree, it's in Baler. It's really mashallah so incredible, and it's so big. Look guys, even inside I think it's too deep. Maybe there is another life inside, really. For sure there is so many insect and life. Look, it's like houses inside. Look, it's too deep guys. It's almost like 3 or 4 meters inside. Look, it's so incredible. Let's take a look guys, if we can enter inside, or if there is any entrance. Huh? Oh, yeah. Look guys, Sarah, where she go? Oh. How you climb? I do it slowly. والله. Oh, nice this one. ساسا فرج يا جماعة وين طلعوا سيدي. شوف.
I overturned the Adam, there is insect trap.
ما شاء الله. What ساسا?
Ako mapunta may kita picturean ka. Mana gikan ni umatong ka sa tulid ako diyan. Picturean ka basi.
Tara, what they have inside? Let's try to go inside. Maybe there is another life. ندخل الداخل. Huh? There is what? Oh my god, look guys inside. شوف يا جماعة والله تخوف الداخل.
Ante kin teacher po tita.
May tahirok na naglinis ka mo kaya.
Ay, masiripyo.
What?
Nay, papanam.
Allah, شو ناي guys, where she's going? Nay, come.
Nagbaling ka na ako. Umubing ka na. Napak kami. Ang tagal na naman. Nay.
She's not scary, Nanay. Sarah, go over here.